Welcome to our journey toward a more sustainable lifestyle. Today we'll explore practical tips to help you reduce your environmental footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. The first step in sustainable living is to embrace the 3 Rs: reduce, reuse, and recycle. By cutting down on waste, reusing what we can, and recycling materials, we can significantly decrease the amount of trash that ends up in landfills.
Conserving energy is crucial for reducing our carbon footprint. Simple actions like using energy-efficient appliances, installing solar panels, and turning off lights when not in use can make a big difference.
Water is a precious resource. Conserving water by installing water-saving fixtures, harvesting rainwater, and being mindful of our water usage helps protect this vital resource for future generations. Choosing sustainable transportation options like biking, walking, or using public transport reduces greenhouse gas emissions and promotes a healthier lifestyle. Carpooling and driving fuel-efficient vehicles are also great ways to cut down on emissions. Supporting sustainable products and businesses is key. Buy local, choose eco-friendly products, and support companies that prioritize sustainability. This helps reduce the environmental impact of production and transportation. Growing your own food is a rewarding way to live more sustainably. Whether you have a backyard garden, a community plot, or indoor plants, producing your own food reduces reliance on commercial agriculture and minimizes your carbon footprint. One of the most powerful ways to promote sustainable living is to educate and inspire others. Share your knowledge, host workshops, and use social media to spread the word. Together, we can create a larger impact. Living sustainably is about making conscious choices that benefit the environment and our well-being. Every small step counts. Collectively, we can make a significant difference. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a more sustainable future. Let's take action today for a better tomorrow.